Carrot. Carrots are one of the most widely recognized root vegetables, known for their bright orange color and natural sweetness. They grow underground as the taproot of the plant and are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Carrots can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced, and are commonly used in salads, soups, and side dishes. Potato. Potatoes are starchy root vegetables that serve as a staple food in many diets around the world. They grow underground as tubers and come in many varieties like russet, red, and Yukon Gold. Potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be baked, mashed, fried, or boiled, making them a key ingredient in countless dishes. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense root vegetables known for their sweet flavor and orange flesh. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Unlike regular potatoes, they have a softer texture when cooked and are commonly roasted, mashed, or used in desserts. Beetroot. Beetroot is a deep red root vegetable with an earthy, slightly sweet flavor. It is packed with nutrients like iron, folate, and antioxidants. Beets are often roasted, boiled, or pickled and are commonly used in salads and juices. Radish. Radishes are small, crisp root vegetables with a sharp, peppery taste. They grow quickly and are usually eaten raw in salads or as a crunchy garnish. Their refreshing flavor makes them popular in many cuisines. Turnip. Turnips are round root vegetables with white flesh and a slightly bitter taste. They are often cooked to soften their flavor and are commonly used in soups, stews, and roasted dishes. Parsnip. Parsnips resemble carrots but are pale in color and have a sweeter, nuttier taste when cooked. They are typically roasted or mashed and are especially popular in colder seasons. Ginger. Ginger is a knobby root known for its strong, spicy flavor and aromatic qualities. It is widely used in cooking, baking, and beverages. Ginger also has medicinal properties and is often used to aid digestion. Garlic. Garlic grows underground as a bulb made up of cloves and is used as a flavor base in many dishes. It has a strong, pungent taste when raw that becomes milder and sweeter when cooked. Garlic is also known for its health benefits. Onion. Onions are bulb-shaped root vegetables that come in various types like red, white, and yellow. They have a sharp taste when raw but become sweet and rich when cooked. Onions are a fundamental ingredient in many cuisines worldwide. Yam. Yams are starchy root vegetables, often confused with sweet potatoes. They have rough skin and can vary in color. Yams are commonly boiled, fried, or baked and are widely used in traditional dishes. Cassava. Cassava is a tropical root vegetable that is a major source of carbohydrates in many parts of the world. It must be properly prepared before eating and is used to make products like tapioca and flour.